Introduction. Bike Expert welcomes you to another exciting review. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated motocross bikes of the year, the 2025 KTM 350 SXF. This bike has always been a favorite among riders who want the perfect balance between the lightweight feel of a 250 and the power of a 450. Let's explore what makes the latest version of the 350 SXF a serious contender in the motocross world. Updated engine, more power, same smoothness. KTM has made some refinements to the 350 cubic centimeters DOHC engine, maintaining its reputation for smooth power delivery while adding even more performance. The single overhead camshaft (SOHC) design has been tweaked for improved combustion efficiency, resulting in better throttle response and a slightly higher peak power output. With an estimated 55 horsepower, the 2025 model offers plenty of torque for explosive starts while keeping the high-revving nature that riders love. The updated cylinder head and revised fuel mapping ensure a crisp and responsive feel across the rev range, making it easier to control in technical sections and on fast straightaways. Chassis and suspension, precision handling at its best. KTM has continued to refine the chromoly steel frame, which now features optimized flex characteristics for improved stability and cornering precision. The updated rear shock linkage provides better traction and a more planted feel, helping riders push harder with confidence. The 2025 model also gets WP-ZACT suspension with updated settings. The 48mm WP-ZACT front fork features air technology, making it lighter and more adjustable. The WP-ZACT rear shock has improved damping characteristics, offering better control over bumps and jumps. Whether you're riding on rough tracks or hard-packed terrain, this suspension setup ensures a smooth and predictable ride. Electronics, advanced technology for competitive riding. KTM continues to lead the motocross segment with cutting-edge electronics. The 2025 350 SXF comes with a multi-map ECU, allowing riders to switch between different power delivery modes on the fly. Whether you need an aggressive throttle response for deep sand or a smoother curve for hard-packed surfaces, this system lets you customize the ride to your preference. The bike also features traction control and a refined launch control system, helping riders get the perfect start off the gate. Additionally, KTM has improved the quickshifter, allowing for seamless upshifts without using the clutch. These electronics make a noticeable difference, especially in race conditions where every second counts. Ergonomics and design built for rider comfort. The 2025 KTM 350 SXF stays true to its lightweight design, with a dry weight of just around 227 pounds, 103 kilograms. The revised seat profile offers better grip and comfort, ensuring riders stay locked in during aggressive riding. The bike's narrower bodywork and updated radiator shrouds improve rider movement and aerodynamics. Another highlight is the new ODI lock-on grips and adjustable foot peg positions, allowing for a more personalized fit. The handlebar-mounted map selector remains easy to access, giving riders full control over the bike's power settings. Braking and wheels, superior stopping power. Stopping power is just as important as acceleration, and KTM delivers with top-tier braking components. The Brembo braking system features a 260mm front disc and 220mm rear disc, providing exceptional stopping performance with a strong yet progressive feel. The 2025 KTM 350 SXF also comes equipped with Dirtstar rims and Dunlop GMAX MX33 tires, ensuring excellent traction and durability on various terrains. The lightweight wheels contribute to the bike's agile handling, making it easier to control in tight turns and on rough tracks. Final verdict is the 2025 KTM 350 SXF worth it. If you're looking for a motocross bike that offers the best of both worlds, power and agility, the 2025 KTM 350 SXF is hard to beat. With its refined engine, advanced electronics, improved suspension, and lightweight chassis, this bike is built to perform at the highest level. Whether you're a professional racer or a weekend warrior, the 350 SXF provides an incredible balance of speed, control, and durability. Stay tuned to Bike Expert for more in-depth reviews and the latest updates in the motocross world. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 KTM 350 SXF. Is it the perfect bike for you? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next.